Bangkok Guide. Enjoy a weekend bowling and eating Japanese food at the Esplanade Mall. Traveling by Bangkok's MRT subway Sukhumvit Station to Thailand Cultural Centre Station. Watch this video to find out how to get to Esplanade Mall by Sukhumvit MRT subway station. Esplanade is a mall that is located next to the Thailand Cultural Centre MRT station. This is a mall where you can enjoy a day bowling and eating. Esplanade is popular for various Japanese restaurants. You will come across some cafes, the Metro Mall, and popular Japanese convenience store called Lawson at the Thailand Cultural Centre MRT station, walking towards the entrance to get to the Esplanade Mall. Esplanade is a mall where you can shop, eat, and grab a nice drink at one of the cafes around the mall. This is a nice mall to visit if you want to hang out with friends and family during your day off or weekend. Also, a nice place to visit if you're just looking for a place to chill. The bowling alley is located on the 4th floor of the mall. The bowling place is called Blu-O Rhythm and Bowl. Blu-O is a place for bowling and karaoke. Blu-O is a bowling place that has 13 world-class standard bowling lanes with cosmic bowling system. Their bowling alley is glow-in-the-dark and vivid. Plus, this is a fun bowling place if you want to throw a party and enjoy bowling with fun popular hit music playing in the background. The bowling alley has a food and drinks menu where you can order some yummy foods, snacks, and drinks while bowling. This bowling place is a nice place for a get-together with friends and family, plus throw a party. Esplanade is a mall that's popular for various Japanese restaurants. If you're looking for nice Japanese food, do visit the Esplanade Mall. You will also find the famous Japanese franchise restaurant at this mall, called Fuji. This mall also has Bangkok's popular supermarket and grocery store called Tops. Esplanade also has the popular conveyor belt sushi restaurant. You will find street stalls around the Esplanade Mall, since this mall is walking distant to the Bangkok's popular night market called Jod Fair. To get back to Sukhumvit from Esplanade, you can take the Thailand Cultural Centre subway station back to Sukhumvit Station, which connects by the escalator, and BTS SkyTrain Asok Station to the Terminal 21 ASOK Mall. Terminal 21 ASOK has a movie theater where you can catch a movie, and various choices of restaurants where you can visit to get a bite to eat. This mall also has a popular food court called Pier 21. If you're lucky, you can catch a random street food event at the Terminal 21 Mall. Watch a bkksfguide's YouTube video Bangkok Travel. Visit the Terminal 21 Mall located at Asok BTS SkyTrain Station to find out why you should visit the Terminal 21 Mall. The link to the video will be in the description below this video.